Willy Bob,
What's up?
what you doing?
Some electrical work.
Electrical?
Yeah, custom.
It looks like you're making spaghetti to me.
It's gonna be custom. Comes some switches, wire harness. Come on, man.
Man,
You gotta
just
open that door when you're on the road.
You-
Tuck and roll. Push that button.
Woo!
Opens the door, and you're rolling.
Man, you're like a jack off of all trades.
Oh shit! What up, guys? This is Will for Driven. Yeah, Driven Garage at driven.co, not .com, .co. Yo, check this out, y'all. Here we have a GMC motorhome, Eleganza 2, 1978. Look at this. Look at those stripes. Look at those lines. Woo-wee. Look at those aluminum wheels. Man, look at this. Straight vintage. Look at that spare cover. Big GMC in your face. Oh, look at that. Packed in. On top, AC unit top. Let's go inside. Let's check it out. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh, shit. You got your sofa here. Your table, you can dine in here, eat up. Look at this. Oh, you got a CB here. Turn forward, turn forward.
This is listener-supported public radio, KKJZ
Oh,
FM and HD1
yeah.
Long Beach. Now simulcast on 105.1.
Look at that. You got your sink here.
A service of
Wash
California State
dishes.
University,
You
Long
got
Beach.
cabinets. Cabinets up here. You got a stove. You got a microwave. I believe there should be a vacuum here if you make a mess. Yeah, yep. Clean up. You got your gauges for your tank, battery volts, gas, propane, water tank, holding tank. You got your refrigerator here. Oh yes. If you guys want to be romantic with your lady, oh, have a nice dinner here, and this thing comes off and turns to bed. Oh yeah. Anyways, check this out. We got the head shower. Let me turn on the light. Got the shower here. Wait a minute. It's a shit shower. Yo, you guys could be taking a shit, taking a shower at the same time. Boom! Look at this. Thing's ready to roll. Road trip! Vegas!
Hey, Willy Bob, what you doing?
So grindy, man.
Woo!
Let's do this.
I didn't know you had breakfast like that.
Check it out.